Hey everyone, Luxinda Swirl here. All right, it's a new day, new cup project. This is not a new technique. You've seen me do this before. This is the mica-hols, iridescent chameleon shifting mica-hols that I mixed up myself with some Woody's Goodies shifting micas, chameleon micas, iridescent micas in alcohol. Mix them up in little bottles. I just started calling it mica-hol. We have a black cup. It's a 20-ounce skinny straight. This is a customer order, and I figured I'd bring you back for this and you can watch me do it and see once again how these cups turn out, because they're really easy to do and they're fun and they turn out stunningly gorgeous. So very briefly, black painted cup. I'm going to put clear epoxy resin on it. I'm going to drop the mica-hols on it like I would an alcohol ink swirl tumbler. This is a mica-hol swirl tumbler. I'm going to hit it with some heat, probably from a heat gun, and then tip up and down, back and forth, switch directions on the spinner, and let it cure up overnight, and we'll see what we get. So sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, let's see how this puppy turned out this morning. Ooh, look at how pretty. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow. All right. Let's bring it over here in the daylight. There we go. That is just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Okay, so for comparison, this was the original I did. It's a 30-ounce skinny straight, and this is the one you just watched me do in this video. This is a 20-ounce skinny straight. The customer wanted a smaller size. I think they are both gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. Stunning, beautiful. We will take this outside and look at it in the sunshine in a little while. Sun's just coming up now, but look at how beautiful that is. So much sparkle. and shimmer and beautifulness. All right. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video, but don't go away.